Now with the air hammer, there's all kinds of chisels and all kinds of things you could do. But for this piece today, what we're going to do is we're going to use the bush hammer. This is a bush chisel. Before you use the tool, you put 1 or 2 drops of oil. Give it a few vacuum. Now that this is all textured, I'm trying to make it look like the Western Wall.